welcome to and this is another video. This awesome video. In our last video we talked about what lister. You made an example, and we also talked about indexing. Said that indexing just to printing out what the item, getting the items in your shopping bag by using indexing way. In this today video we'll also be talking about slicing. What slicing is in the list. Also be talking about other common list operations, other operations that you can perform with list. But what is exactly slicing? We know that slicing is to cut something, also cut something from particular position to end position. Just take it when you cut your onions, for example, you start from a particular point to cut it and then stop a particular point. I know this is not the best explanation, but how do you do this in Python? I want to, like in our previous video, I may mention that indexing in Python start from 0. So shoe is in the 0. In your shopping bag, when you tell your junior one to get shoe for you, it's going to ask you which section of your bag will I realize. You take your normal school bag, for example, which has different section. You have the small one, medium, big one. Let's assume that this is the small one. Okay. Can I decide? You can say that it's in this 0. Tell me to go to your bag and get what is in the smallest side, which you can say is in this 0. So you start from 0, looking at 1, and so on and so forth. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remember that this is a float, it has point on it. Okay. So I want my junior one to go to my bag and get anything from index 0 to index 1. This is where slicing comes in. Because on a normal indexing, we'll tell our junior one to get the shoe for which is in index 0. When I run this, it's going to get me shoe. But I want him to get what is in the shoe and also what is in the bag. Can I look at it like this to get what is in the small bag and the medium, not in the small side of the bag and the medium side of the bag. So how are we going to do this? So we use what is called colon, and then since it starts from 0, okay, 1. Okay, if I were to put 1 here, so what it means that I'm going to get here, stop here, right? But what will happen if I put 1 here? Let's see what's going to happen. Let me run this script. You can see I still get shoe. But why didn't I get pencil? Even if I put 1 here, because I said 1, 2. Sorry, I said 0, 1. But why didn't I get pencil out of 2? So for that, it might make use of this. Should I say formula? It's not, don't worry, don't be afraid if you don't like math, it's not hard. So you can say start, you can say end plus 1. What does this mean? This is your start, this is your end. You get? In the initializing, you have what is called start and end. Okay, what I did here? So our start was shoe, which was in position 0. Our end was pencil, which is in position 1. So remember the formula, end plus 1. So you're going to be plus 1. Well, we know that 1 plus 1 is 2, but let's just do it. You can see I got my shoe and pencil. We know that 1 plus 1 is 2, so we can decide to put 2 here. As you can see, shoe and pencil. What if I want to get this guy to this guy? Okay, I see 0, 1, 2. Okay, know that start is 2 and our end, since the guy is in 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's going to be 6, okay, plus 1. Remember the formula right here, your end plus 1. So I'm going to get from your toothpaste to no, There's another way, since we are getting everything from here to here, this might not be off. You just put your 2, that means to start to any. Am I wrong there? Okay, let me give it a little bit of space. It means start from 2 and then anything to the end. So we are still going to get the same result as you can see here. So these are slicing do work in Python. There's another way. Let's say I want to get this last guy. There's another way to do that. You can say I want to get this last guy. You can say when it comes to what did I put minus here? This last guy is in this -1. As of now, even though you don't understand it as of now, don't worry about it. So as we go on this video, you're going to understand it more. But know that anything at the last of the list, you start from -1. So since this guy is -1, this guy is -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. You get? So -1 is what? None. We can see here. And -2, we know that's 90 plus, no, so 90.5, as we can see here. So you can also decide to make slicing from it. What does this mean? -2 downwards. What does this mean? Remember that you start from the highest to the lowest. So start from the lowest to the highest, like what we did here. Your end is always higher than your start. What does it? This is -2, right? I think I agree with that. -1 is greater than -2. -1 is greater than -2. Sorry, -2. -1 is greater than -2. I think we'll know that in our math. I know that 0 is greater than -1. So I think we'll know that in our basic mathematics. What does this mean? -2, this is -2 to -1. What does this signify? It's going to be -2 -1. You see, I can see 90 plus 30. If you want to get from here to down, whereas you can see -2 and then any other thing. You can see I got my so I think we'll come to the end of this video. I think we learned about what slicing is and in Python. Now next we're going to talk about the append, the insert, the remove, the there. I want to talk about all this in our future video. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. And if you find any other thing that need to be added in this video, please don't hesitate to let me know. I'll make a dedicated video to it to help explain it in better ways. Thank you for watching this